We are going to design a pillow for children today with the Creative Fabrica and Printify platforms. First, let's get acquainted with the Creative Fabrica platform. What is Creative Fabrica? Creative Fabrica is a digital marketplace that offers a wide range of creative assets and resources for designers, crafters, and creators. It provides a platform where users can access and purchase digital files, such as fonts, graphics, SVG files, embroidery designs, and more. These assets can be used for various creative projects, including graphic design, crafting, digital art, and DIY projects. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and sell custom-designed products without needing to handle inventory or production themselves. It allows users to connect with a network of print providers who specialize in producing various items such as apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. Let's prepare a pillow design for children with a duck design that we obtained from Creative Fabrica. Subscribe to our channel and let's watch this process together. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about innovations in the world of e-commerce. Discover e-commerce world with us.